All right, I knew this drone would be different. But the moment I put on those goggles, bro, everything I thought I knew about drones, gone. Thrown in the trash, rewritten from scratch. Today, we're talking about the Antigravity A1, the first drone I've ever flown where I literally felt like my body left the ground. This thing doesn't just break the rules, it evaporates them. Let me walk you through exactly why. So imagine this. You take off, the drone lifts into the air, you put on the vision goggles, and suddenly the world just opens. You don't look through a tiny window like a normal FPV drone. You don't stare straight ahead like a camera drone. Nope. You turn your head to the right, the view turns with you. You tilt up, sky, tilt down, your feet. It's like strapping your face onto a floating eyeball in the sky. You're not flying a drone anymore. You're inhabiting one. This is the first time a drone has felt like teleporting with wings. Now here's the part that actually broke my brain. You don't aim the camera. You don't worry about framing at all. You just fly. Because the A1 captures everything around it in 8K 360 degrees. Let me repeat that so it sinks in. Every direction, at the same time, in 8K. It's like recording a memory instead of a shot. Later, when you sit down to edit, you drag the frame wherever you want. Up, down, behind you, beside you, and boom. Every angle exists. It's the closest we've ever gotten to fly now, figure out the shots later. If you ever messed up a drone shot before, yeah, that problem is officially dead. And then comes the feature everyone keeps calling cheating, FreeMotion mode. Flying normally, you move where you look. Flying FPV, you look where the drone goes. Flying the A1, you look wherever you want, and the drone keeps going straight. It's the weirdest, most freeing feeling. You're moving forward, but your eyes are exploring everything around you like a curious bird. A rock formation to your left? Look at it. A mountain ridge below? Tilt down. Doesn't matter. The drone stays on course. This is what other drones never let you do. Separate flight path from your vision. Pure flying joy. Let's talk about the goggles, because these are secretly half the magic. They're tiny, light, almost no pressure on your face. Inside each eye, 1-inch micro OLED panels, HDR, 10 plus 2560 by 2560 per eye, and a field of view so wide it feels like a 200-inch screen slapped onto your eyeballs. It's crisp, it's unreal. It's the cleanest, smoothest drone FPV experience I've ever seen. And here's the wild part. They add a fantasy cockpit overlay. Yeah, you can literally fly with a dragon-themed HUD. Why? Because why not? Everything about A1 feels like it was built for normal people, not drone nerds. No complicated joysticks, no 40-hour learning curve, just point the grip controller. The drone goes there, turn your head, the world moves with you. Record once, edit infinite angles later. You want cinematic shots? Done. You want FPV vibes? Done. You want to share your flight path so friends can ride along without flying? Also done. It's the most human drone I've ever used. Look, I've flown a lot of drones. Some are fast, some are stable, some are cinematic, some are fun. But the Antigravity A1 is the first drone that feels like it belongs in the era we're living in. Not a toy, not a tool, but a new way of seeing the world. If this is where 360 drone tech is going, DJI might want to stretch before they sprint. Because A1, this thing isn't playing. It's rewriting the entire experience of flight.